Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel where German becomes super fun and easy to learn. Instead of doing rote learning, here we'll learn German with examples, small stories, and a lot of fun tricks, which will definitely ensure that you have fun during the time we learn. Today we are starting with chapter 1 or Lektion 1, named as Hallo. And trust me, by the end of this video, I'm sure you will definitely would like to continue learning German and pronounce all the words of German with full confidence. So are you ready? Let's begin and let's jump in and make German learning super einfach und spannend. So yeah, I used two German words right now. Einfach is easy and spannend is exciting. So yeah, let's get on and begin this super easy and exciting journey of learning German. Was sagen Sie? This means what are they saying? Like, what is this girl in the dialogue box saying? So let's read it. Grüß dich, ich bin Radha. Wer bist du? So grüß dich, it means hi or greetings. So whenever you greet somebody, you have some intro. So that is how you are greeting. And then she says, ich bin Radha. So ich means I, bin means am, and Radha is the name. So I am Radha. Wer bist du? So wer means who, bist means are, and du means you. So who are you? This is how I'll introduce myself. I'll first say hi, then I'll tell what's my name, and then I'll ask who are you? So this is the basic introduction how we can go about in one way. Wie heißt du? Wie means what? Heist, again we are asking the name. So wie heißt du means you. So we are asking what is your name. So my name is Karthik and what is your name? So if I completely just quote everything, hallo, ich heiße Karthik, wie heißt du? So hello, my name is Karthik, what is your name? Miau miau und ich heiße Motzi. So meow meow is of course the how a cat would do meow meow. And then we have und ich heiße Motzi. So und is and, ich is I, heiße is name or like I am, and Motzi is the name. So Motzi is this cat's name. So completely if we say meow meow and my name is Motzi or I am Motzi. Now let's recap all the words that we learned in the 3 introductions that we just right now saw. So hallo is hello, ich is I. Again, be careful that when you pronounce, so ch is not ch in German, it's sh. So that's the difference between German and English, and all these things we'll cover later also. So yes, so ich is I, du is you, bin is am, heiße is name, bist is also am. So this is a conjugation which we'll learn in the next coming few videos. So this is a conjugation, so all the words would mean am only, but it would be changed, like if it is ich, it would be bin, if it is du, it would be bist. So we'll cover this later, don't worry. Wer is who, wie is what. So these are the W words that we have, like where, when, this WH question words. And then we have lastly und, which means and. So this is very similar to the English and German vocab. So this is the vocab part of it. And now I hope you liked the video and you enjoyed till here. For further concepts, please move on to the part 2 of this video. And if you have any questions, you can just put down in the comment section, and accordingly I can just reply to you. So if in case of any doubts or anything, yes, just do comment it there. And till then, if you like the video, please do like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.